let's talk about natural brain boosters. Hello everyone, it's Anna from Duomly and welcome in today's video. I just wanted to quickly remind you about the Christmas promo we have for you at Duomly. It's 80% off for our lifetime premium account. You can get this discount using promo link below this video. It's going to be a little bit more tasty video today because I would like to tell you about brain boosting foods which you can find in the grocery and which can help you to improve your memory, ability to learn, can help you to have a good mood every day and learn better. Also, at the end of this video, I want to share with you my favorite recipe for brain boosting toasts. So, stay with me. The first point on my list are nuts. Nuts have a lot of omega-3 acid, which helps our brain to function very good. Nuts also have vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which help our brain to stay in a good condition. I can imagine that somebody cannot like nuts, like eat it every day or add it to the porridge. Then maybe it's a good idea to find a substitute, which can be peanut butter, but it has to be a good quality. Another point on my list is avocado. Avocado is crazy popular these days and a lot of people add some avocado to sandwiches, toasts or smoothies, and it's also very healthy and very good for our brain. Avocado have a lot of vitamin K and folate, which affects our brain in a way that improves the focus and the memory. So think of maybe some toast with avocado sometimes. Point, it's not maybe strict food, but it's also very important. It's water. Our brain really feels when the amount of water is decreased. And we can feel mood swings, our reactions are slower, and we can feel a crazy headache. And this is all because of water. Water is very important because our body consists mostly of water, and if we don't drink enough, then we can feel all these not nice diseases. So drink water with lemon, hot water, cold water, whenever you like. Just drink water. Point 4. It's also about something to drink. And it's about 3 things. From my point of view, it's green tea, yerba mate and coffee. A lot of people say that caffeine is something what doesn't have a good impact on human body. But there is also another side, this brighter one, and caffeine has some good things which helps us. First of all, a cup of coffee or green tea or yerba mate a day can really improve our mood. And besides that, it has a very good impact on our alertness, memory and focus. So if you don't drink like liters of coffee or green tea or yerba mate every day, then a cup of coffee is something what can be really good for you. Now let's switch a little bit more into green tea side. Because green tea side has one ingredient which is crazy good for our health. It's called L-theine. Don't beat me if I pronounce it wrong. And what L-theine does? It helps us to reduce the stress and relax. So if you would like to have a good mood and be relaxed, drink a cup of green tea every day and feel all those good emotions. Point 5. Oranges. Oranges have a lot of vitamin C and they help us to stay in a good health and not get any cold. But besides that, vitamin C from oranges helps us to protect our brain from the damages made by the aging. So, let's protect our brains right now and let's grab an orange. Point 6. Another tasty one is a dark chocolate. I bet most of you love chocolate, but in this case you need to switch to the dark one because it has some ingredients which helps us to protect our brain from damages. And it also helps to prevent cognitive decline. So maybe it's a great idea to sometimes switch this crazy tasty Nutella for a piece of dark chocolate. Point 7. Oily fishes. I bet not everyone likes to eat fish, but it's crazy good for us, especially those like salmon or mackerel, because they have like a lot of omega-3 acids. And it helps our brain because it boosts the ability to learn. It helps us to improve our memory, and if you really can't eat this piece of fish, maybe think of getting some supplements, because it is crazy important to have the proper level of omega-3 acids in our body. Point 8. This point is great one for a tasty breakfast, because we are going to talk about eggs. Eggs are also the good thing for our brain. They have a lot of vitamin B and B12, which helps us to prevent memory loss, which can be really good for us to have like better memory skills. Also, it prevents cognitive decline, and what was very surprising for me, eating eggs can improve our mood. So how about scrambled eggs for tomorrow breakfast? Point 9. Blueberries. I love blueberries, and how about you guys? What good can bring blueberries to our brain? So blueberries have a lot of vitamin K and C. And what it does, it prevents the memory loss, and it's also responsible for the spatial memory. And what is spatial memory? Because it's not so obvious, also it wasn't for me. It's this kind of memory which is responsible for recognizing the environment we are living in and all this information about this environment. So I think a bunch of tasty blueberries can be really helpful. And the last point on my list is tomato. And what good can bring tomato? So the most surprising point is that it prevents depression, it also prevents the damage of cells, and it helps to improve cognitive memory. So even a piece of tomato can be very good for our brain. I think we don't even know how much good things we can buy in normal grocery store. Okay guys, so it's all from me for now, and I would like you to take care about you, eat a lot of tomatoes, chocolate, nuts and all of these brain boosters. And also I promised you to give you some great recipe, my favorite, so here it is. If you like this video, please leave us a thumb up, subscribe the channel and leave a comment. Also, don't forget about the promo code for Duomly lifetime account, and I hope to see you in the next video, probably another year. Bye!